this right there, what I want to call the new classic.
Soundstripe.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to Cyrus Fight Drifts, and today I'm talking about my 1990 Chevy Silverado. Here it is. They made these from 88 to 94, and I believe these are the new classic. I think in the next 10 years you're going to see these just as much as you see C10s, fully restored and everything. You can get these in 3 different motors: the 350, the 454, and the 305. And they made some 6-cylinder version for a while. I can't remember what that was called. It was like the 235 or something. I don't know much about those. I just heard they're not very good. 350 did have a 305, but it was swapped by the guy who owned it before. I guess you could call him my uncle. And he owned it from 1990 to about 2015. And he loved this truck. He drove it a lot too. It has 202,000 miles right now. But the motor has way less than that. The motor probably has less than 100. I've done some things on this that I found it very cool. I put a front grille on it. I put headlights on it. I painted the hood, but I'm gonna redo that pretty soon. And here you got a new radio I put in there. Glove box, all that. Really good truck. I just love it. This truck is like my backup daily driver if I don't have my Ram for some reason, it's being borrowed or whatever. The back end, don't even look back there. I have a white pipe for my 350Z back there. I still have to fix some shit on this truck, like the oil pressure gauge is broken and the gas gauge doesn't work. That's a pretty common thing in these. The actuators in the tank get soft and they fall, and they're probably swimming in the tank right now. I have to realign it. The alignment's a little off, as you could tell in the driving video, and there's some rust in some areas, but overall this truck has no issues. I've never had any problems with this truck. It has a little exhaust leak too, but that's nothing too bad. Hell, I grew up on exhaust leaks. It's farm truck, you know. It was, now it's not. It's retired farm truck now. But this truck is just really nice. Everything about it, it's really good. It has these nice plush seats. I think I already showed the inside, but really nice plush seats, and I mean, these are really comfortable. Only 2 seating, but I don't really care because half the time it's just me sitting in here by myself. The glove box is decent size, but I'm not gonna show in there because I have some shit in there. I don't want to show. Behind here, you can tell the exhaust is leaking pretty decent. You can pull with this truck. It has the holes that you could hook a trailer to, or hook a ball to, and trailer or something. I don't know why you would. I have some tires on here, whatever, nothing overly special. People are taking these and they're lowering them, and they're putting cool exhausts on them, whatever. I'm gonna put a side exhaust coming right out here, and it'll be really cool because I gotta get an exhaust. I pulled it inside for miscellaneous reasons. But I would recommend this truck for anybody who wants a daily driver that is fun to drive, and they're kind of cool. Like I have a 98 over there, if you look. It's not as cool, but it's still fun to drive. It has a 350. It's the same exact setup as this, but just the new cab, split door, whatever you want to call it. I think that these trucks are just really good if you want a truck that you can drive anywhere, you know. Like I would totally take this truck on a road trip right now if I wanted to. Once I get an exhaust and air conditioning working again, because I think they're just so fun to drive. They're comfortable, like with these captain seats, and that one, like I'm not going to show the inside of it, but it has like really nice leather seats that are massive. This truck gets shitty gas mileage, but whatever. That's not something that matters to me half the time. I have a Ram that gets mediocre gas mileage, but I think that these trucks are just fun. As you saw, I was doing donuts in it, starting the video off, and I've done a few of those. I'm not a big donut fan, but whatever. They're just really fun to drive. I like them. You're gonna see this truck in more videos soon. They're really cool, so I'm probably gonna get another one day and lower it and do some really cool stuff with it. You know, this one, my uncle would be pissed at me if I did that, but I would like to do that one day. Get one that's like matte black, lower it, and put like 454 wheels on it. I think that would be really cool. They had like 4 wheels in these, and they're just really cool. So I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna have a video on, I guess Tuesday it is, and they'll be probably talking about something I don't know. I'll see you in the next one, and stay safe out there. I'm sorry the video was so short, but I just thought it was a fun video to film. And there's really just not a ton to talk about. I thought the driving video was cool and the donuts in the beginning. So I'll see you on Tuesday, and I'll be talking about another one of the trucks. I might talk about my 66 C10 out there, maybe, I'll see. But I'll see you in the next one, and stay safe out there, and have fun.